In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add or remove Shareit directory from your Files app homepage. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to ensure that Shareit app is installed on our iPhone. The easiest way to check that is just swipe down on your home screen and then just enter Shareit. That's how we can easily find it. If it shows us Shareit app icon here at the search, it definitely means the app is installed. We can launch it. However, for now, we need to head over to the Files app. Now, if another folder is open, we need to tap right here at the top left hand corner all the time until we open up Browse page. Here, as you can see, I have already Shareit location added here. And now let's say if I wanna remove it from my locations, I just need to tap right here at three dots, select Edit. And now I can easily just turn it off, just like that. After that, to apply the changes, hit Add Done, and as you can see, it's now gone from here. In the same way, we can add it by turning it on. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.